that together. Everybody, let's do that. Thank you, please seated. Thank you. Oh, round of applause for all the conquerors and 80 hustlers. And I'd like to bring my back over to Morris Herrera.
Yes, thank you, Ralph. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for safety first with the championships. Look, we're going close to the payoff. Conquerors versus HP Hustlers. Yes, we're live on 91.7 of the DYFA radio station alongside now the commentator, the living legend. We call him from Tobacco Key, hailing from Bedford City, Rufus, Big Bad, Robin Flores.
I know Morris Herrera, thank you for the introduction and I love that, alright? I'm here tonight, everybody. Thanks again, good night, everyone. Live with the legend of Ricardo, I'm going to bring it to you, the big classical.
Yes, Bill, you got the start, you got your assistant, you got your commentator. We call him, he's an international, he's an international. He works in Belize City on all the radio stations, all the TV stations. He works here on all the radio, on the TV station. He's a DJ. He is a humanitarian activist. We call him our
Mandaleno.
Thank you very much. Tonight, one now we're here at Colorado Stadium, another big night, Friday night. You don't know, two top teams. One out of the three top teams playing tonight. Little man. Powerhouse against Powerhouse. The first game, second game. First game went well 3-2. Our team fighting. Let's see who won this one tonight. Conquerors, United Conquerors against HD.
That was fun. Actually, Magdalena going there live on DYFA 91.7. I was streaming live right about now. So everybody locked in. Beat the Guyo. Wonder the Guyo. That big again. Can't was here. Beat the Guyo. Soon Mutu. We are here tonight. We're running the big ball alongside from Actually Magdalena. And I die, Morris Herrera, along his, your lead boy, right? Yeah, what's his name? The junior. The junior? All right, we are here bringing it to you live. All right, bring it to you. I'm going to be there for him. You're going to be looking right. You can't come out, bring it back smartly. It's going to be a big spot football game here tonight. With it back to the goalkeeper for the Conquerors. Kicks it up, that Pala, Miguel in goal. Ball in control, he steps up. The Conquerors, they take control. They are undefeated, clean sheet in red. Conquerors, mighty Conquerors, they're going to put it up. Breaks up there by Hummingbird Distributors. The team, Hummingbird, push it up. Wide push it. Yellow and black, they're attacking. Wide, they're on the run, double 18 back, Hummingbird, inside the 18 box. Clears up big, the ball went off the field. After Western touchdown nearby, the Conquerors throwing in a beautiful Hummingbird Distributors. The Hustlers. If you roll to the FFB to the stick, live from the Colorado Stadium at week 9. We are here live on DYFA 91.7. Garifuna Radio Station. Streaming live on a beautiful, sweet Friday night. Inside that being a legendary. The place called the Colorado Stadium. Ball going to be there, take care of opponent. Ball going to be there for the team in red, the Conquerors. Ball going to be for the Conquerors. Finally, the world. Conquerors number 18 taking it around. Smart defense. In control and back in number 7. Sunderland Junior loses. Ball back in the middle. Morale. Right push. What a ball game here tonight. Bring it back in the middle. This is going to be a hard pass. Ball going to be able to Conquerors. Smart. Conquerors take control of the 18 backs. In control and back there for Yellow and back. Russell, take control. Wide pushing. Fix it up. Ball back in the middle. Gas. Inside the middle. Ball in the middle for Monel. Conquerors. Alright. Ball in back in the Monel. Control. Loses. Ball in control. Ace and touch. Ball going to be there for Fall William Monel. Bring it down. How many brothers should it down? There's a fall Eastern touch. Ball going to be a free kick. A free kick for 8-3 Hustlers. This is a balanced ball game tonight. Front by 3. Magdalena. Good night, my boy.
Thank you very much, Lord, for a wonderful part. Wonderful ball game, fast and furious. For the three top teams, Conquerors with 10 points and Wabagari with 9 points. But the first game was a great game as well. The Southside got 3 points. They're on the scoring board now. 3 points for Southside. But let's see who will get this one tonight. Conquerors against HD. Wabagari is shooting down.
We're back inside, play like make up, making back, spread for it. Change up, baby, Conquerors take control. Russell, high push, intercepted. By Melanie, the Western touch, intercepted by Melanie. It's going to be able to Conquerors, bring it back in the middle. Now, take it ready, brings it big like this, Hustlers, they take control. Hustlers, bring it back, wide, spot, Evan Morano. Yes, you're running well. Big kick, this is going to be a smart ball. Give me a chance for that. Gas. Now the field. For Gas. Trying to be in for Live one. Rock the song, DJ Busher. Also on DYFA Garifuna Radio Station 91.7. Bring it to live where I'm streaming it live all over the world. From Korea, Colorado State. These are the people we call our team from instead of President 7.25. Now going to be your bird, Conquerors. Benson, Kato, intercepted, back there bird, loses, the Conquerors. Fadu, wide back. Fadu, keep a call out, Miguel, stay loud. Boston gonna be that Eastern touch, gonna be the bird, Hummingbird, 18, yellow block, take control, far inside the middle, yellow block, Benson, fire! Outside, yes, wonderful work, and Hummingbird is to the time, live inside the car, Ramos, second game, first off, building, long game, we saw first game earlier, it's Southside Warriors 1-3-2 over Benson, back with the Hummingbird, fire! Hummingbird, Hustlers, taking the one lead, going to Conquerors team, from Magdalena, taking over.
What a shot everybody strike a ball. Hummingbird, classic goalkeeper. Blackburn the year mark line. Went forward but the boundaries and went behind the net. Conquerors down 1. Hummingbird, you see why Conquerors nil. Fewer down here. Now we see in control. HD. Benson Clarkson. Control pass and run. We're trying to find. But the defender, Raleigh. Clears up that 1-4. The team in red tops and red bottom, Conquerors.
Driving out the field trying to be there for Hummingbird, assist to the ball, girl, yes. In control, you have to still there for the person that's going to go outside by the shot, but I'm going to be there for the Conquerors. One goal to them. Hummingbird is up. Early inside the first number of game 2. Central Football Association. Road to the FFB District 2025 from Russell. I'm going to be there for about people to come together. Bring this up, man. We must keep up, follow together. Follow together. Rolly. Oh, the police officer, Rolly. I love that. Inside of the tournament. I'm going to be bringing something in the middle. I'm going to be there for Russell, right foot to Conquerors. Then one goal to them. The attacking son of the Conquerors for the red. Hits it up big. Wide push. Heads on there by 5 minutes to play for Monel. Send down the ball off the field by Monel. From Monel for the Conquerors. Monel, you are the Conquerors. Good work. Yes, right. Monel, now I'm sorry, I'm doing that. James is dangerous. Yes, number 20. Game early, lock for the time. But yeah, James, let me know. That's not the need to go. Score early, give me a big ball home. Ball in control, ball in touch. I'm on the main now, I'm going to the back. Centers, intercepted, inside, follow. I'll bring it back, catch it up. Back now, you're controlling. Ball going to be there for intercepted, going to be rolling to Russell. Russell take control, push the wire, breaks up the by. Ball going to be for 80 or so, they knock the attacking source of the car, breaks the block. 80 hustlers, they roll to the end of the FSD, what a bad game, that's it, ball in controlling. Now, referee, the man in the insurance, the ball will be foul against Conquerors. Ball will be foul for you, not the kind of 80 hustlers, the one to lead from Asiva Galero.
Zero. The notice fast, these both teams wanted. I don't know how to take totally man win the race. Always win the race, right? So it's an early 1-0. PHD's up. Plenty more football than 0. So let's see what the mighty Conquerors can do.
Fall against Conquerors, Bogdan is for 80 hustlers. Intercepted. Oh, that's a fall against 80. Conquerors will take the free kick. Darren Chavez. Bali control for number 18. Center second. Number 18 box. Wide balance. Oh, the condition right now. I love it. Sharp turn. Hard. Yes. Darren Chavez. Conquerors with Western touch. Bowing out the field. Throwing on the media for the Conquerors. Brings it back in the middle. Darren Chavez. Wide pushing. Keke. Bowing out the field. Throwing on the media for 18 hustlers. Live on Rocky South DJ Muzzle, play by play, road to the FFB, inter-district tournament. The time is now, 2 big powerhouse, the ball will out in the fall, that's the fall. But you are pulling, yes, G4, Conquerors, bringing down BC, yes, that's one, chicken control, you know what I mean? Chicken control, so not chicken control. Anytime they way back, I've been sitting there on the field now, presenting for that live instead of car on the field now. Evan, back to his goalkeeper, Evan Morano, with the wide, smart cleaning by Hummingbird distributors. Marvin running the big man, the way to live from Achi, and the Western touch. Showing me the media for yellow and black. We call the Hummingbird, distributor the Hustlers. Bowing out the field from Byron Chavez. Ball inside the middle, going for it. Yes, he's around it, and
Both teams want to rub in. Hard game tonight. Nothing to do with the outside floor. Four holes and this 4 holes. And right from round number 6 meters and half up in the air. Go for it. Intercept here. Right, the defender. Monero. He doesn't want to work on the top. It's a working for Kankara. Control for Kankara. Control. Goes to Keke on the second Keke. Goes back slow on the defender here. For Kankara. He moves his one high. Track 5 Monel in control. The defender says, hey, I'm here.
Ball will be a corner kick way there at the southeastern corner of the Colorado Stadium there for the Mighty Conquerors. And they down 1 goal to 0. Yellow and black uniform we call them HP, Hustlers, Hummingbird Distributors. Actually, whatever you need when you get a Hummingbird, it is there. Whatever you need, a Hummingbird Distributor is right there. If you like that, it takes 15 minutes. They're right there. But they can do that the next day. Hummingbird Distributors, they are right here. Good night to all of them. Back in the Russell. In control of my running. Back the battle. Back take control of the Conquerors. Back with African Western touch. Trying to be here for the Conquerors and right there. That one go to the Russell. Throws it back. He goes back into Russell number 56. Russell, take out the Conquerors. They're back in the middle. They attack into the Colorado Stadium. They want to turn the ball game. Instead for the wide pass spot. The Conquerors take control. Back into Monel. Ball will be for the Conquerors. Kicks it up. Top of the 18 box. Hands go back there by Hummingbird. Yellow black uniform. Keke. Loses. Kids are big. Nobody is there for Hummingbird. All the way. Cuss. All the way. All alone. What a ball game here tonight. 2 big balls in the first division. Rowley. Bring it back into Russell. Bring it back in the middle. Ball with Byron. Byron loses. Ball with Hummingbird. Distributor. Back to his goalkeeper. Why? Wonderful. When you saw that? Hey, the Conquerors still hanging around. 1 goal to 0. Good night, everybody. 1 early. Friday night. Colorado Stadium. I'm on the mainland. Big man. Live on DYFA 91.7. PT William on DYFA 91.7. Garifuna radio station. We're streaming live inside the second game. Ball of East Center, great for it. Line, smart, clear it up. Ball of East Center, give us something to me of the Colorado Stadium. Ball will be there for it's going to be there for your blockers. Ball with after feet from Russell. Russell, I don't want to do. Troy going to be there for Hummingbird Distributors, really what you need. Bring it to life. Rowley kicks it up. Inside the middle, Byron. Intercept inside the middle. Cheap. Conquerors deep, man. Big player, Cheap. Brings it back. Back to Byron Chavez. Back to be for Russell. Back to Byron. Chavez. Byron. Put it back up on the game. Goalkeeper. Allow it out of the case. Before you have to tell you, goalkeeper, boy. Yes. From a tree. Take it away. Hey, this game is rolling. Team. Yes.
So Russell attacking in control. ESD, Hummingbird, they're up, and go to nil. Buddha one high up in the air. They're going for it. Is the defender. In control. Go from the year. Blackbird is here. In control. Going for it. In control. Beats around. Yes. Smart. Rolling. Goes to G in control. G by Monel. Monel, but that one is break up there by the defender. He control in the middle. HD has it the fall, Bermudez. Goes low, gets the picks up in like that. Number 11 in control. Oh, the mighty conqueror, Mario Chavez. Tire goes around the midfielder, but the man in the middle say, foul on Byron Chavez.
A three, hard, coming to the game right now.
Rumbling in the
Rumbling inside the total, inside the camera, mosquito. S, the two big balls in the first division, ball in the SD, hustle on the bird. Ball up inside the 18 box, Eric Curry inside. In control, line will die for 91.7 credit for the rhythm day to the single line, good and everybody locked in. I want to be a number for the run of the big back. Bring it to live. Inside. One day at the Northwestern corner. Ball going to be the Roman Burn. Sent down. Into the 18 box. 1L. Clears on. Heads up there by the Conquerors. All in controlling. Why? 1L. Loses. Still 1L. Take control. Yes. White pass. Ball going to be the Conquerors. Token. Yes. And the Conquerors big kick. Isolated boxer. Ball off the field. Trying to be the bird. 18 hustlers on the bird. 1-0 live. Ball the Western toucher. Double team. You can't cross number 6. Take control. You can't go ball off the field. Trying to be the bird. Ball will take control. Ball throws it back. Back into number 18 for the Conquerors. Conquerors will stay up inside the 18 back to ball. St. Cat inside. Goalkeeper. Cool it down the Hummingbird. The triple down the hustlers. HD. Hummingbird. Once you hear HD, the Hummingbird is triple down. Whatever you need, we have it for you. Get on black. Take control. 9 points. Conquerors 10 points. One Hummingbird in our black women's game today. They're going to be league leaders. Yes, boys. Small move them on the first. Back into Pola. Pola so back there to like first half. Ball inside the middle. Russell. Take control of the red. Conquerors. Russell. Push it up. Wide eastern touch. Ball in good. Back to the Conquerors. They will turn the ball. The Conquerors. Fire! One of them try, but right away for his target. Now will be a goal kick there for Hummingbird distributor HD Hustlers. They up 1-0 in your black uniform. Inside the car on the stadium on Friday night. Live on time for 91.7. Get it for the radio station. Right from the right of the big ball, plant a tree. Bring it to you. Goalkeeper gonna be the bird. Yellow black uniform, we call it HD. Hummingbird distributor, whatever you need. No problem. You can't get it today. Hey, but the next 10 minutes, you're right there. For you, Hummingbird, I'll see you. Take it away.
Look across there. It's a final kick for PSC. And it was in the East Williams. Conquerors warming up. They're warming up. It's a final PSC. Top pass. Control there. PhD. Control is on the better there, Manel. Eye in the air, in the center. Do the right pass. Control. Salu. Number 7. Try. Martha, 1-2. Monel. Goes low. Number 16. Goes up there, but goes low. 66. Russell. Try to find a teammate there. Sutherland. Goes low. What a shot. Like KK. And another these Orleans say goal kick for AFC. Trying to run alone. PhD. All alone. That's what they were. I'm going to get the deal for Conquerors. Conquerors, Chile. Road. And good. Smart defender. Russell. Control for Conquerors 66. Is going to the defender. Back to Russell. Russell control the field for the Conquerors. Conquerors in control. Fire Travis. Try to find someone. We'll keep our crews that went down. Rat. We'll keep our rat.
We back down the run, go down, something we got to us. We can go rise, but we not feel. Bible, we are calling people to come to us on the southeastern side of the Colorado Stadium. Yellow block, they take the lead. This is not going to game from the CRT. We're going to be confident. These are the 2 big powerhouse inside this Country Football Association tournament. 8 teams. These are the 2 big powerhouse against each other tonight. Conquerors Center. Nobody is there. When out the field, it's going to be a voting day for Hummingbird Distributors taking the lead. 1 goal to nil. 1 goal to nil. Early one. Road to the everything and the stick and team. On the win the way for it now. I don't bring the way for it now. This Sunday, what comes to the morning. So that comes strong. I'll give you power in the front. You're free to go on the yellow card. Yellow card. That's right. Yes. Yes, I'm right. Like, you're right now, like, right. 5 years this way. Ladies and gentlemen, a big person in the hospital. Hello. I don't know what I'm doing, but speaking by high information. I hear the Makaton, hello, full stop. Conquerors take control. Intercepted by St. Lucis. Chief. Multiple in the box. Family in the bird. Round center. Heads up play by Howard Bird. One game lead center. Take control. Take. Ball on the run. Follow. Take it. Follow. My goalkeeper. Wonderful work by Follow. Goalkeeper was there. Yes. What? Get the right game. Yes, man. Why? You'll keep on that. On the way there, it's Steve. It's a hard game. What? Don't give on right go forth. What is the game? Catch it go. What is go to the world, back and go keep on that pull it down. Right. Bring it back. Why? They take control. You're not back you. And that is not the time of the stadium. No time to give. Body control, we can get control. Then G, bring it back. Center. Pass it. Now one head down. Pass it. I'm going to see you tomorrow morning. I tell you. Now pass it. Early tomorrow morning, I'm going to see you. That was one head, I'm bringing down. Boom! High. Hey, but Passé, c'est la score. Once you go Passé, when you play 90 minutes, you are score. K don't make ball in controlling work already. Man in the knee for cuts, they can't come out. Hard into the ground, I'm going to stay there. Kicks it up, 91% time from. Heads up back there. Man in the knee for yellow and black, they can't let. 80 hustlers, Robin Bird. Ball on the way for something, down, closing up, what the hell is going to go? Robin Bird on the run, Robin Bird, take control. This is the time. Robin Bird, come on, his back. Robin Bird, I see go. Robin Bird, go. car on the sale of DYFA 91.7. They're up there. You'll have black cars. I don't know the ship down. One road there in the front and three. Take it away.
Thank you very much, bro. Byron Charles in control. Goes to the defender. Another pass. Rowley, control. Goes to number 18. Keke loses. Assist to intercept number 9 in control. No, number 9 control. The loses here. Rowley still going away. Rowley in control. Rowley. Up and you. Control. Russell transfer over one. Russell. Pass against Rowley control. Will drop through. Number 16. G trying to one more time. What a shot. What a shot. G. The other G blocked. Taylor. Get the strike on that. Get the strike on that G. What a euro for us here.
2 big balls.
2 big balls, 4 teams wanted. Conquerors chilling. 1 goal to nil. Fans foul again. But the defeated Conquerors. Change there. No change. Finally, we press up. In control. Mariano. Goes slow, defender. 15 Conquerors in control. HD. Gets up there. In control. Farouk. Farouk fine. Emmanuel has to fine. No, this is Keke. Number 18. Keke. Put up on high in the air, but goalkeeper and say, hey, I must not. Keke, number 18, and that follow number 7. Right? No, when I do this. I do this. Pick up there by the defender there for Conquerors. He goes back, Russell in control. Down Chavez all alone. Chavez all alone, Roman. He goes and finds G in control. Lose it. DC, let's start up. G, work that one back fast up. G in control. G will put this one high in the air and goes for it is. Manel, but the referee says, here, Russell fine. Chavez, but the referee says, foul on Mariano, the defender.
Foul against the Mariano. Back with the free kick there for the bigger Conquerors. They down 1 goal to nil. They'll back it up. 80 live into the car on stadium on Friday night. Second game. Double header tonight. 5 will be there for the Conquerors. Can they tie it up from this free kick? Manel. Who's going to take the free kick? You're going to give it to Manel. Well, I saw Manel all this tournament, yes. He can go get some good free kicks. Manel, number 9. Manel, fire. Goalkeeper pull it off from Manel. Goalkeeper and goal there for 100 private shipping. That's good night for the legendary Colorado Stadium. Community play-by-play on Rockets on DJ Mucho. Ball in control, the ball for the leader burn. Goalkeeper, all better to work. To work. Yes, ball like from the hill. Cheers up big day for Conquerors. Let's go to the Hummingbird. Ball in control, the team. They control, we're going to make this nice. G, back to the middle. Ball in the middle for Palu. Conqueror Palu, loses. Ball in the Hummingbird, the Sugar Cat, the captain out of the Cowboys, the left back. They take control live on live. 91.7, live for Garifuna with the station, 91.3. We're up to the Carolina. Breaks up there big. Clears up there. Ball in control, and back in the middle. Ball in the middle, Keke. Bring it back, clear up, big ball. way at the rest of the sky, the bar and half of you. Bar will be a choice, you don't know what you're going. Conquerors, 2 big houses, and both things right now, you know it's a battle now. They're trying to feed out each other, see. Alright, but later on, when the second half, you will see this game. All about legs, the ball will off the field. Throwing in the eastern touch. Throwing in the eastern touch. We're going to be able to see the red. The Conquerors will take the throwing in the eastern touch. Good night to everybody. And one of them was police officers every time. I will always do my police officers. Thanks again. Every time I see the car around stadium. Keep up the peace. We are here. Fire, take control. The Conquerors, bring it back in the middle. Also, take control, Conquerors. Fucking. Why nobody is there? Why? What is the game now? Everybody jumping. Now 2 big game for house, they get for house. But 1-0. He'll not back it up. How it works, the two does. Hey, the man is there, they are wrong. It's really nice. And they are disciplined, they are organized. I love to work around them. Hummingbird, when they have an 8 hustlers, it's really nice. Conquerors the same way. This is the big classic on a Friday night. We have seen this till it's done. Balling, controlling, this is the big game. Rolling, losing, fire! What was trying? White, we shot us. What was shot? DYFA 91.7. Garifuna. We're still streaming live from the Chicago Stadium. Where we belong in the big man from Latin. Also, I like Maurice Herrera and his kids. They are here bringing you live from the legendary Chicago Stadium for Antigua.
Rolling. Goes around 1. Roll final 2. Let's go back to roll the music. Find the striker. The pass on him. What a player. The striker. Pass. Beats another. The flank. For HD. I thought you would give the light. You are wearing out.
Kaya job. Wala pa yung poster mo. Ito na.
Don't never sleep
Party last night.
School work.
That's fine. I'm going to do the 1-2. Oh, in the Michael. The yellow card for now on Sullivan. That gets it up, and it's a foul on Sullivan. What the man in the middle says the ball flow is due. What's the ball here? We'll keep our rep on the pitch. Need some medical attention.
Let's go.
It might be come for us.
I can have my bag. That's it.
I tell you when Marana to play fast, goes to fly, goes to Asinto, goes up to the river here, intercept here, fly, take it. Hey, boom, the man in the middle. Russell. control. Russell Blue is still in the environment. Defense after field of touch. Walking. PhD.
Live inside the car on the scale of Friday night to inside the second game, first time of game 2. 1-0 ball game, the up the air that we call HP Hustlers, Hummingbird Distributors. Hummingbird Distributors. Yes, whatever I need, whatever I want is right there. Just order. You come from quick in minutes. Mark the big trade on them by HP Hustlers. That's what they got them by. What? In control now, they were stand up on them. Loses. Ball will be the bird. Inside the 18 last goal, keep up, fall out again. Move it down, fall out again. Move it down there for the Conquerors. Conquerors playing 10 points in red uniform. Hummingbird Distributor playing 9 points in yellow and black uniform. Third division tournament, 2 big balls, teams. Rolling, smart, Rolly just out there. They take the lead, 1-0 to them. They are backing up. They are attacking out of the car. I was staying live on DYFA 91.7. Good night, everybody. Who's streaming live, locked in. BT William, I'm here tonight on the mainland. Marvin Collins, the big ball outside from that tree. Fired Marana. We back in the middle. Whatever. Bowing out the deal, Troy gonna be there. And I'm from flying. Troy gonna be the bird. Conqueror, Baron Thomas. Inside the follow. Do this thing on the fly. Man in control, Red Murray. Intercepted. Follow. Bring it back. Inside the 18 box. Everyone Marano. Take control, everyone. Marano. Smart play, everyone Marano. Hummingbird. 50. Byron, when the Conqueror State, take control. Back to Rolly. All back to Russell inside the middle. Russell. Smart. Touch it. Conqueror, 1-0. But they up, they down. Riley, yellow block is up. Yeah. Wide push. Conqueror, they want to turn this ball in the right. Gene, they take control. Gene, bring it back. Conqueror, Gene. Ball back in the middle. Ball going to be there for the Conquerors. Baron Chavez. Baron wide fast on the bottom of the back into Bassi. Rolly loses. Baron in the ball.
That's right, I know that's something.
Ball in the run. Hummingbird is through guys. Yellow and black. Hummingbird. Taking the run. Hummingbird. Ball out the field. No. Sit in play. Cuss. Hummingbird distributor, you'll have back uniform. Take control. Down to the wide of the Western Ducks. Ball at the Western Ducks, Hummingbird. Ball. Went out the field. Right on the bird. Right on the bird. Yeah, he's going to be a bird. Love that. Hummingbird distributor, 4 and 6. Alright now. Alright, who's doing it? Alright, in control.
Yeah, just tell like we will make people share and talk people and then we can share.
Alright. Yes, half time. 100 jersey up. It's key to give away. 1 jersey to give away half time. Courtesy of Hummingbird distributors. Wow. It's a spot kick for the Conquerors right on top of the 8 box. Let's see. She's behind this one. Dangerous. The goalkeeper Ron setting up his trap. Gene top of this one. Dangerous kick. Gene. High. Rugged. First off, pass, yours, enemy, the man in the middle, he's over there. Here we are going to be over at half time. 1 shot. Courtesy of Hummingbird. Yes.
How do you do that live? Gas. Finally, police obey, finally, not give the gas. Conquerors. Why? Hummingbird is shooting at the hour, 300 is shooting at 100. They're 2 feet up, 4 out. Finally, to the floor. Half time! Half time, he is going down the hill. Beat your will. Half time, game 2. 1 goal to nil. You're up, you gotta have that. Hummingbird is shooting at taking the 1 new lead. Alright. Alright. I'm going to make you. You're up for the first time. Good. Good. What are you doing? Are you doing the foul? What are you doing?
Well, we got names in the cup. We got names in the cup. They don't stop like
DJ Low, Hummingbird distributor will give out jersey. That's what they arrested on. Hummingbird will give out jersey. So, all the tickets.
yeah, the names in the cup.
The names in the cup. So everybody will buy tickets, their name there?
No, this is how we share off on live.
Oh, this one share off on the live. So Hummingbird. Then after the ticket booth, and then after the ticket booth, it's about Hummingbird distributors live. Hummingbird distributors live. Alright?
Yeah, you pick
Yes, we are doing live. Hummingbird distributors live. A tree. Yeah, right. Get numbers there. You run the numbers.
Coward Nicholas.
Coward Nicholas.
What are the man, the lucky winner?
Coward Nicholas.
Coward Nicholas, the winner of the jersey. Coward Nicholas, you are right here. Alright, Coward. Coward, oh, he played there?
Yeah, he played.
Alright. Alright, DJ, Coward Nicholas, won Hummingbird.
Half time.
Live, half time. One day, DJ.
Sometimes people say, long. You want to get taller? I can't get taller. I buck my die. I can't get taller. I'm very terrified. Why should I cross this channel?
All the kids on the field might take one play.
second half action inside the legendary car. I'm going to stay tuned.